In today's video, I'm going to teach you the simplest way to show low stock on your Shopify product pages using themes and Shopify settings. Whether you're running a bustling online store or just getting started, keeping your customers informed about stock levels can enhance their shopping experience and drive urgency to purchase. Let's dive right in and explore how you can effortlessly enable this feature. First, you'll want to log into your Shopify admin. Once you're in, look for the Online Store option on the left-hand menu. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu where you'll see Themes. The Themes section is home to various customizations you can apply to your storefront, so go ahead and click on Customize. This will take you to the Theme Customizer, a space designed for you to make your Shopify store visually appealing and functional for your customers. Now, once you are in the Theme Customizer, you'll want to redirect your focus to the product page view. Here, you're likely to spot various blocks or sections dedicated to arranging and displaying product details. Keep an eye out for sections or blocks named something like Inventory Status, Product Information, or Inventory Indicator. These are the areas within your theme where you can adjust how stock information is presented. Many Shopify themes offer an option to show the actual inventory count or display a low stock message. This is particularly helpful when you want to alert customers that they should act fast before an item runs out. If your theme supports this feature, you're in luck. You can set a specific threshold for when a product is considered low in stock. For example, you might choose to show low stock when there are 5 or fewer items left in the inventory. This not only adds urgency, but also transparency. Once you've set the low stock threshold to your liking, make sure to save your changes. Saving your settings ensures that the adjustments you've made are implemented across your site. Before finalizing everything, it's always a good idea to preview how the low stock message appears on a product page. This helps you verify that it meets your expectations and looks good on the front end of your store. A quick preview will ensure that everything is in its right place and functioning as intended. Now, it's important to note that while many themes such as Venue and Natural come with these settings built in, the availability can vary depending on the theme you're using. If you don't immediately find these options, it might be worth checking if your current theme has an update available, or if there are more customizable themes in the Shopify theme store that meet your needs. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully enabled a low stock indicator on your Shopify product pages, helping you create a more engaging and effective shopping experience for your customers. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks.